Welcome to a special adventure where we'll explore the world of command line interface and artificial intelligence with some help from our furry friends. You might think CLI looks intimidating at first, like a mysterious black screen with blinking cursors, but don't worry. Just like a cat approaching a new toy, once you get comfortable, you'll find it's actually a fun and powerful tool to play with. Let's talk about what CLI really is. Think of it as a direct way to chat with your computer, kind of like how cats communicate, straight to the point. Instead of clicking through multiple menus and windows with your mouse, CLI lets you type commands to tell your computer exactly what you want it to do. It's like your cat's no-nonsense approach to getting what they want. Why meow around the bush when you can just ask directly? Now, let's explore some basic CLI commands that you'll use all the time. First, there's LS. It's like a cat scanning a room, showing you everything that's there. Then we have CD, which is just like a cat choosing which room to explore. It lets you move between different folders. And PWD. Well, that's like when your cat needs to check where they are in the house. It tells you your current location in the computer's file system. Moving on to AI. Imagine it as a giant, complex ball of yarn. Just like how cats can turn a simple ball of yarn into hours of entertainment, AI can transform simple data into amazing results. Neural networks are like interconnected strings in that yarn ball, working together to create something fascinating. And training an AI model? That's a lot like teaching a cat new tricks. It takes patience, repetition, and sometimes a few treats. Let's get our paws dirty with installing AI tools. Just like cats keeping their toys organized, we use package managers like pip or conda to keep our AI tools in order. It's as simple as typing pip install followed by the package name. Need TensorFlow? Just type pip install TensorFlow. Want PyTorch? Pip install Torch. See? Your computer follows these commands just like a well-trained cat. Time to walk through an AI workflow. First, we prepare our data. Think of it as gathering all your cat's favorite toys. Then we train our model, similar to teaching your cat a new trick. Lots of repetition and patience. Testing and validation is like trying out a new cat food. We need to make sure everything works as expected. Finally, deployment is showing off what we've built, just like when your cat masters a new trick and can't wait to demonstrate it. Don't worry about making mistakes. They happen to everyone. Typing a wrong command is just like when a cat misjudges a jump and misses the counter. Getting a permission denied error? That's like your cat finding a closed door. Syntax error? Just like when your cat knocks over a plant. Oops. The good news is, just like cats always land on their feet, there's always a way to recover from CLI mistakes. You've now learned how CLI and AI can work together with some help from our feline friends. Remember, every expert started as a beginner, just like every graceful cat was once a wobbly kitten. So go ahead, start exploring these tools. You'll be feline fine with CLI in no time. Visit github.com/CLI cats to begin your journey. And remember, curiosity might have challenged cats, but it'll make you a better developer.